Good morning, you're absolute legends, you're cracking humans, and hello, beautiful people.
It's called a family room, and it's basically a normal room with extra beds. I'm on the Plasti Dip Fondriest. I've sort of had a breakup with Canyon. Would you say a breakup? No, it's not really a breakup, but the Canyon bike's gone, and I'm on the Plasti, which I'm spewing because it would have gone nicely with my red shirt, my red jersey. An amicable breakup, as Hannah would say.
Consciously uncoupled.
Young fellas out as well, and young girls out riding.
These are the mountain bikers. They start out first. We leave in about 40 minutes, so I'm going to go get a coffee.
Yeah, doing the 60k.
Doing the 60k?
Yep.
You've been training?
Yes, yeah, every weekend.
Okay.
Yep, mostly.
Little Jackie boy!
Oh, there's a bird near him. Ah, get away.
Hannah's got a phobia to birds.
Oh, does she?
She's got a legitimate bird phobia. She cannot deal with birds.
Wow.
Which is funny because she's come down to the side of the lake to feed Jack,
Yep.
where all the birds are.
You know why though? Just because I thought it would be something interesting for him to look at, but not get too close. But now I'm really
Like, there's literally 1,000 birds there. So guys, I want to introduce you to Nick. Nick's got a YouTube channel. He's, you're just starting out, are you?
Just
Starting. So what's the name of the YouTube channel?
It's called the Drop Cycling, one word.
Yeah.
Check it out, check it out.
Drop cycling. And so apparently you do videos, but you also make up bikes.
I do, yeah. That's my hobby, part of my business as well. So
Yeah.
I buy bikes, fix them up and sell it. That's just to pay bills.
So what are you going to do for the next 4 hours?
We might do the family walk.
You're going to do a family walk around the lake?
Yeah, why not?
Nice. See you later, buddy. See you, legend.
Let's go.
See you, Han.
Bye, enjoy.
I don't see a bike. What's going on here?
I do all my
The
riding
rest stops, and if
by
you have
myself
any mechanical
around the trails in Melbourne. Love them.
Really?
Yep.
So you're into it?
I ride about 3, maybe 4 times a week.
Okay. All right, mate. Thanks for being here.
Been a pleasure.
Good luck.
Enjoy your ride.
I will. For those of you not from Australia, that was Mick Malthouse, who is probably one of the greatest coaches, AFL coaches of all time, and was 10 years with the West Coast Eagles, so my team. You doing the 50 or 100?
50, that's all.
You're on the 50?
Yeah.
What do you mean that's all? That's bloody 2 hours of riding.
4.
Yeah, what are we talking about? Good on you, enjoy it.
You too. This will be the longest ride for my daughter, so
Okay.
we're doing it together.
Okay, good on you.
Yeah.
Oh, I was looking for you.
I'm good. The first hill of the day's done.
How much did I struggle?
Mate,
in the house.
look, everyone's on your wheel, mate. You were
How's the
foxing.
pressure?
You were foxing the other day saying you weren't going to be fit, and everyone's on Maven's wheel. So don't believe him, people. Maven's still got it.
He was talking like we were on a downhill, and I was breathing through my ass.
I've only been riding a bike for a few months, so yeah, it's good. I'm still getting used to it.
Did you want to get into bike riding, or did he get it for you?
I absolutely had no interest in bike riding.
Yeah.
None.
Really?
Yeah.
And what about now you're on it? Are you, be
I
honest.
love it.
You love it or you like it?
I actually love it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Only for the last few weeks there was a turning point. Yeah.
Okay. We're out at Buninyong now, and on the course of this ride, you actually go on the national championships, the Australian National Champions road course. So we've turned onto it now. I'll turn my GoPro on and see if we can get a little bit of it. But you go up Mount Buninyong, and in the nationals, they do Mount Buninyong 12 times, I can't remember, but a lot of times. It's quite a steep, long climb. Well, Joel, halfway up the climb. How are we feeling?
Feeling in top form.
Are you feeling top form?
Oh, top form. I think I'm going to take it.
You're
I'm going to go
top
for
form. The problem with that statement,
it. Yeah.
there's about 700 people in front of you.
Oh, yeah. my goal is not to come last.
We just got to the top of the hill and had a bit of a convo with a few crew on the way up. So that was nice. It was nice just to push 180 watts, just cruising. But you could imagine if you were racing up Buninyong, Mount Buninyong, mate, it'd be a tough gig doing that. However many times they did it. I think it was somewhere between 12 and 18. Doesn't matter how fit you are, by the end of it, it'd be so hard to put out that wattage. And that's really what defines the best from the very good. That being able to continually maintain that high wattage after so many hours in the saddle. Boy, cool story.
I've been hanging out for this one for a year and come down from Shepparton, 3-hour drive, and been training in the Dookie Hills for those of you know that circuit.
Yeah.
And it's held me in good stead up Buninyong, mate.
Yeah, you did well.
Did all right, yeah, did all right. Just dropped for a drink now.
Your team?
Brother and sister.
Brother and sister?
Yeah,
oh,
the
nice.
first time I've done a ride with an event with my brother, so
that's
yeah.
Awesome. And you've been cycling for long?
About 5 years, I suppose.
Okay.
Yeah, I just started getting into it as he was dropping off.
Yeah. Cycling? Hey, you! Yeah, no, it's good.
But yeah, he's getting back into it now, so good to do an event together.
All right, we'll finish it off strong.
No worries.
Thank you.
30 k's in, I'm very keen to second one of those horses over there and see if I can just ride a horse home and just leave my bike here. But they got bananas and drinks and stuff at the station here, so let's go check it out. Let's go get some food into the gullet. Moment on the lips, a lifetime on the hips, people. Take it easy. Only one banana each. I know. I'm talking from experience. Oh, those things are bad.
Green Speed, that's the name. It's the GTO is the brand.
Okay.
Well, the brand's is the Green Speed.
Okay.
Made in Melbourne company.
Yeah.
I'm riding because of Ian Sims. He's the owner and the manufacturer of these things.
Yeah.
Just been told he's got lung cancer. Liver cancer.
Liver cancer.
Mm.
And he makes these?
Yeah, he's been doing it since about 91.
Really?
He's an expert. He's best in the world.
You're crazy, go straight. If you're smart, go left.
I'm smart. I'm going left. I'm supposed to be doing the 100 k's, but I saw the 60k turn left thing, and I was like, you know what? I'm only an hour into the ride, and I'm already in the hurt box. 20 kilometres to go now till the finish, and Hanny and Jack are waiting patiently. That's another reason I'm going short, just to spend a little bit of time with the fam. It's not that steep. One of the best things about these Fondo type rides is seeing the little kids out here having a crack, and I'm really looking forward to the day when I can get Jack on a bike doing it with me. Making Dad look silly?
He is.
Is he?
He's doing it easy, I'm doing it hard.
Are you proud of yourself?
He's done awesome, hasn't he?
How good's that? 60 k's in the bank. Easy. Will you stop making this look so easy?
I wish. Good job.
Come on, lift it up. Give me some support. So yeah, good squad. Cheering us on. I'm hanging to go to a cafe and get some one of everything. Good work, little Tucker. Good work, buddy.
Big day in the saddle. No, the 28k family adventure ride.
Okay.
So it's his first big one.
Awesome. How old is he?
5.
60k?
Yeah.
Was it 60?
Yeah, 60 Ks, yeah.
Good girl.
Second lap.
Wow, that's amazing.
Done well.
Good job.
Still pumping the legs.
Coming into the home straight now, coming up to the banner. This is going to be exciting. There's going to be thousands of people cheering me through. Literally thousands. Here it is. Woohoo! Made it. 150 Ks, 20 Ks.
Good, we did the 6K, see, look, we're finishers.
Did you? So you did the 6 kilometre walk?
Yep. He slept and I pushed.
Really?
I did all the hard work.
Did you enjoy that? Did you have fun? Yeah, you had fun, didn't you?